Hi guys, Jasenia here, and I have another project share. These are some folios that May made it, crafts made, and she did it with she did folios, but then she did paper pads. So I put a little twist to it, and I included both in one. So here's the front cover. I still need the ribbon to go across. I did put the pen up here in front. Hers for the paper pad, she has a little maybe ½ inch this way with the pen over on this side, but I didn't want to do it that way. I wanted to do it this way. So here goes the inside. I did a pocket right here, sorry, and I added 2022 calendar plus a 2023 calendar right there. And then this one flips this way. They're kind of different. Then there's a pocket here, and I did a photo mat here, or a journaling mat. I didn't put anything else on here for the recipient to actually include whatever she wants. If she wants to add pictures or quotes, verses, whatever it is. Then right here I have this beautiful stamp. And then right here is the paper pad. And you can also remove it if you know once it's finished. So there's a pocket, sorry, a pocket here, and you can remove it and include a newer one once that one is finished. And like I said, I created a few. This was an order. So here goes the first one. They're a little bit different, maybe in the inside. The images are different. Maybe the setup is a little bit different, like this one. This one doesn't have that extra flap. It has a pocket on this side, and then it has a little mat. We have this beautiful image, and then of course, and again, we have a pocket, which this is removable. I did like the idea of adding the magnets, but I ordered the wrong magnets, so I couldn't add that there. I was thinking about Velcro, but I don't know how long that will last. See, so this one has the flap, and it has the pocket and the mat. Then this one has a different image, and then the pocket back here. I don't want to mess anything up. This is an order, and I gotta add my information on the back. Look at how pretty this is, and I love the paper pad. These are two different paper pads that I used. I'm gonna show you all of them. Look at this. Look at this beautiful image. So it's two different paper pads, and both paper pads are from Michaels. Look at this. OMG. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at another pocket. And look at that. Whoops, I'm sorry. Just doing this with one hand. Well, actually two, right? So here are my 5 folios with paper pads and calendars. The pens are different, but I'm gonna get some more of these for then they can all go the same. I will package them in this type of baggie. This one's folded because I have some images there. So I will be packaging that up really nice after I put the ribbons on and stamping the back with my information. So thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Thank you.